please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
The Tamil Nadu government's decision to pull the shutters down on Sterlite Copper's Tuticorin plant has impacted the Vedanta stock further, and this has prompted the Income Tax Department to put on pause its plans of selling around 18 crore Cain UK shares that it holds in the metal giant. Sapna Das, who has been tracking that story, joins us now. Sapna, what are you picking up with respect to the government's plans?
Well, as rightly indicated, basically it's the slump in the share valuation. The 18 crore shares that are held by the Government of India right now, technically in terms of the Cain tax dispute. That share sale transaction is on hold as of now because of the slump in the prices. Particularly also, the taxman is anticipating a possible fallout of the Tamil Nadu government's order in terms of the Vedanta copper plant, based over there. The advice that has been given by the broker to the government is very clearly this is not the right time to sell. So for all that they were aiming at in terms of a recovery, like there was a tax demand that was raised of over 10,000 crores, and this matter has been going on since last 3-4 years. In fact, last year itself in March, ITA had given a clean chit to the government, to this taxman, to basically go ahead and attach those shares completely. There was a complete green signal on that, and the matter has really not moved. And just when they were planning on this block deal, because the taxman is trying to target at least 6 to 6,500 crores from the sale of these 18 crore shares. At the current market price, the valuations are like somewhere around 45 or 100 crores. So a very clear advice coming in from the broker to hold on. You really don't know, when matters will look up, but clearly, there's a snag in terms of the recovery of the tax demand. The government, which had so clearly claimed on, that is, on the back burner for now.
All right, Sapna, thank you very much for joining in with those details. Now, moving on, the American government has announced that it will impose steel and aluminium tariffs even on its allies, namely Canada, Mexico and the European Union. US Commerce Secretary Wilbur Ross announced at a news briefing today that tariffs of 25% on steel imports and 10% on aluminium imports will take effect from midnight today. The European Union did not take this lying down. Within hours of this announcement, the President of the European Commission, Jean-Claude Juncker, has said that this move by the United States is unjustified and said that the EU will introduce countermeasures in the coming hours. Global markets also reacted to this development. Stocks traded lower post the announcement by the USA. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 250 points.